Now we have a before and after. So on the left side is the before. That's what the customer brought in. And this one here on the right is the after. So that's what I did. So anyway, you might be able to spot the subtle differences in the design. So where's Waldo? Okay, so for the people that can comment and mention which are the differences between the two, put them in the comment section and we'll see who's right and who's just guessing. Because I'm making larger side bolsters on these seats, you can see here where I've deviated from the original pattern. So this is going to be the bulge here in the side bolster. So we're giving that extra vinyl there in the pattern. So that way, because of the change of the shape. I have everything all foamed up and glued on now, so I'm at the tail end of finishing up these panels. Now that I have all the panels completed, I'm doing the assembly now. So as you can see, I got a head start because I don't like to bore you guys. So I get all the boring stuff done first before I show it to you. So now, just putting everything back together again. Well, we find ourselves at technique number 4, if you can believe it. It's number 4 because it's one of the very most important techniques ever. So technique number 4 simply is checking your work. So after you're finished with something, make a good inspection and see if you missed a place, or maybe you can see some thread where you're not supposed to see thread, or in other words, if it doesn't look like it's supposed to look, because that's your one and only opportunity to go back and fix whatever it is that doesn't look right, because you always want to be the one to find the imperfection. You never ever want to have the customer find the imperfection, because that's really bad. Not only is it really bad, but you know what, sometimes they might tell their friends that there's a screw up somewhere, or you know, this is this person's quality, or you know, that's how reputations are built. So anyway, number 4 right there. I ordered 3.5 yards of vinyl, and literally this is the only thing I had left after 3.5 yards. This is the biggest piece right here, and I ended up with a bunch of tiny little scraps that look a lot like this that went in the trash. Tiny little scraps. So that's the only waste I had. Well, my friends, this is the end of another episode. So I got this one here done today. This would be the driver's seat, I suppose. And tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and I have everything made up for the passenger seat. So the customer is going to come and pick it up tomorrow afternoon. So that I'm going to get up early in the morning, tear this one down. I already have all the foam and everything all made up for it. So, and the cushions and everything's ready made up. I just got to do all the tear down and then the installation. And like I said, that's before, this is after. If you like this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want to see new projects coming up all the time, hit the bell and the notifications, and so that way you'll see whenever there's a new video uploaded. And until then, we'll see ya.